Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will start a new chapter, that is comparison of adjectives. You already know what are adjectives. They describe the nouns. Now what do you mean by comparison? Comparison means to compare two things or more than two things. There are three degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Now here you can see three apples. First one, we are considering it as big apple. This is a big apple. This is positive degree. Why? Because here we are not comparing with anyone. So when an adjective is used without any comparison, it is called positive degree. Now look at the second one. Here we are comparing with the first one, big, bigger. When an adjective is used to compare between only two persons or things, it is called comparative degree. Now we can say that this apple is bigger than the first one. Now look at the third one, biggest. This is superlative degree, that is the highest degree. When an adjective like biggest is used to compare more than two persons or things and indicating the highest degree of a quality, it is called superlative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Now look here. Small, smaller, smallest. Small will be the positive degree. Here without comparison we can say this is a small ball. Now here we are comparing the first and the second. Comparative degree, it will become smaller. This ball is smaller than the first one, and the third one, it is the highest degree, that is smallest. This is the smallest of all the three. So first one is positive, second is comparative, and the third one is superlative degree. Here are some more examples. In positive degree, tall. Comparative, it will become taller. Superlative, tallest. We will put ER at the end while making it comparative, and while making superlative we will add EST. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Happy. Now you see, if there will be Y at the end, we will change the Y into I. Happy, Y will change into I, then ER, and in case of superlative, Y will become I, then EST. Same way, pretty, prettier, prettiest. But now useful. Useful, we never write ER. We will write more useful. In comparative degree, more useful, and superlative, most useful. Okay. And beautiful will become same way, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now look good. Some adjectives are used in an irregular way. Like good, we will never write ER, or more good. We will use what? Better. It will completely change. Good, better, best. Now here you need to circle the adjectives in the sentences. This is like the previous chapter you have done already. Pradeep is a tall boy. Here we are using the adjective tall to describe the boy. So tall will be the adjective. You need to circle it. Okay, you will do like that till number 5. Now look at the pictures. The dog is a big animal. Here you can see there are 3 pictures: dog, cow, elephant. We can say that a dog is a big animal. Here this is positive degree. We are not comparing with anyone. Now second one, the cow is bigger than the dog. Now we are comparing dog and the cow. So if we will compare two, we will use comparative degree. Now the third one, elephant. The elephant is the biggest of the 3. So if we will compare more than 2, we will use superlative degree, that is the biggest. Same way here also, a rabbit is fast. Here we are not comparing with anyone. A rabbit is fast. Now we are comparing with deer. The deer is faster than the rabbit. This is comparative degree. Again we are comparing with the cheetah. So more than 2, then we will use fastest. The cheetah is the fastest of all. Thus we can say that we can use adjectives to show comparisons. Now read these sentences. Nikhil is thinner than Vikas. Diya's desk is neater than Madhu's. Here we are comparing two, Nikhil and Vikas. We are comparing two. That is why we are using comparative degree. Here also Diya's desk and Madhu's desk. So two. That is why we are using comparative degree. When we compare two things or persons with the same quality, yes, thinner, neater, this is same quality, we will use what? ER form of the adjective. This is called comparative degree. But you already know that in some cases we use more before some adjectives to show comparison. And also one thing you need to remember, we often use than, THAN, after comparative degree of the adjectives to show that two nouns are being compared. Like the deer is faster. If we are using comparative degree, what we are using at the after the adjective? Than, THAN. So you need to remember this, that we will use THAN than after the comparative form of the adjective. Here it is given positive degree and comparative degree, not the superlative one. So positive, tall will become taller. You know, only I have shown you. Short, shorter, quick, quicker, nice, nicer, safe, safer, happy. You have already learned happy, happier, pretty, prettier, easy, easier, and handsome will become more handsome. Delicious will become more delicious. Now look number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. Remember to use than after the adjectives. Then from here you can understand that we have to use comparative degree. Look, first one. This book is, there are two blanks. That one, heavy. So the adjective is what? Heavy. So what will be the comparative of heavy? Heavier. Y will become I, then ER. Heavier, after that than. So you have to do in the same way the remaining one. But number 4 will be different. Look, this book is. There are 3 blanks. Why? Because interesting we never write ER. What we will write in comparative? More interesting. After that you will use than. Okay? You do it in the same way. Now we will talk about the superlative degree. Read these sentences. Nikhil is the thinnest of all the boys in class 3. Dia's desk is the neatest of all. Here we are using superlative degree. As you can understand, this is the highest degree. When we compare 3 or more people or things with the same quality, we use what? EST form of the adjective to show a person, thing has the highest degree of that quality. So this is called superlative degree, as I have already told you. So adjectives that take more in the comparative degree, as I told you, more, beautiful, delicious, what we use in comparative? More. So if it will take more in the comparative degree, we will use what? Most in the superlative degree. Okay, like example, this is the most beautiful dress I have seen. The chimpanzee is the most intelligent of all the animals. And you need to remember one thing, we often use the, the, before the superlative form of the adjectives. In case of comparative degree, we use what? THAN after the comparative degree of the adjective, and we use the before the superlative form of the adjective. Here the same are given like the previous one, but now it is superlative degree as well. Tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, quick, quicker, quickest, nice, nicer, nicest, safe, safer, safest, happy, happier, happiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, easy, easier, easiest, more handsome, handsome, more handsome, most handsome, delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Okay, so you do it and show me. Okay, thank you.